Good morning, please. How you do, please? Hope you had a wonderful, wonderful weekend all together. It was all together lovely. Come here. As me tell you all the time, say I don't really dream. When I go to my bed, I just go to sleep. Dreaming and me is not into the same sentence, but from time to time something pop up which don't generally make sense and so. But that dream last night, and I just come to talk to you about it and say, well then, say if you could, you know you're close to the Lord also. I mean, I don't know if you was like Uncle Joseph the dreamer also. So me just say if you could get a word from me, answer an explanation, this one from me. So I was into the dream thereof and I was in America for in Canada, and then a friend of mine from Jamaica who come look for me. And the two of we in reality, having some financial lack. But and was talking about it into the dream thereof. And we find ourselves in this yard, which is my yard. You understand? I hope you're following me so far. And into the yard thereof was a big apple tree. When we say the apple tree big, and it was loaded. But when you look on the apple tree, you have apple that hang low, apple that hang up at top, and apple that hang in between. And when I look closely, it was a variety of apple. All sort of brand of apple. And me said the apple them, pretty them, pretty them, pretty them, pretty them, big them, big them, big them, big. And me say me grab me girlfriend and me say, come me love, pick apple. Let us pick and we pick apple and we eat apple and we belch apple. We pick apple, we eat apple and we belch apple. Tell me what that mean, please. Give me an interpretation thereof. If you like Uncle Joseph thereof, you could just tell me, you understand? What the what mean at this dream. Please and thanks.